Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Randy Rizky Kurniawan with number 210567 from Prodi D4 Pengelolaan Perkebunan. This is my video presentation with them climate.
Climatology is a science that studies climate, and climate itself is a whole of meteorological phenomena that characterize the general condition of the atmosphere in a certain area or point, over a long period of time, or it can be said that a collection of weather statistics or collected data. Over a certain period of time, information on weather and climate can be obtained through the meteorology, climatology, and geophysics agency. That is a government agency assigned in the field in accordance with the applicable laws and regulations. Climate affect growth and farming activities. Agricultural product climate. If the climate support and cares for the plants, well, then the result agriculture will be maximized. But if the climate does not support, even though the plants are cared for with the correct agricultural result will not be maximized. At certain times, not all kinds of plant can be grown. To overcome this, you can carry out activities microclimate modification. One example of climate modification is giving gift. This set has the function of getting a lower microclimate, humidity higher, reducing so that the hope of plant grown below set is better for growth. However, more climate modification techniques. Climate has a very complex nature both in the dimension of space and time. The climate can be seen or analyzed from the data of climate elements. So data plays a very big role in getting an accurate climate. Problem data handling climate includes things from the method of obtaining data, which is a reliable source of climate description, recording or archiving, data processing, to the presentation of climate information that can be used in other fields. Statistical methods and mathematical equations can be used to make things easier and examine complex climate characteristics. With statistical and mathematical analysis, data can be simplified. The characteristic of climate elements can be studied and analyzed so that ease of reviewing the information contained in the data. From the benefits of using the statistical analysis is expected to increase the accuracy in forecasting, eventually will be able to provide complete and accurate climate information. Climate is a combination of various daily weather conditions, or is called climate is average weather. The climate consists of the same elements as said the weather. The climate of a place is made up of elements with great variation, so it is almost impossible for two places to have the same climate. Actually, almost there is no limit to the number of climates on the Earth's surface that require classification in a class or type. There is almost no limit to the number of climates on the Earth's surface that require classification in one class or type. All human climate classification so that every man might exist and is great. Climatic elements that show clear pattern of diversity from the basis in perform climate classification. There is no climate that is often used is temperature and precipitation or deposition. Climate classification are generally very goal specific. Its use, for example, for agriculture, aviation, or marine. Climate classification specific one still use non-climate data as a basis, but only use data on climate elements that relate to and directly affect activities or objects in this field. With a systematic relationship between elements, climate with world cropping pattern has given birth to a new understanding of climate classification, where the correlation between plants and elements of temperature or rainfall cause an index of temperature or rainfall that is used as a criterion in climate classification. In essence, the use of a climate classification is a way to obtain efficiency of information in a general and simple form. Therefore, statistical analysis of climate elements can be carried out to describe and define the overall climate type quantitative, general, and simple. Each classification is made based on the specific purpose of maker, with a wide area coverage ranging from limited or smaller than the state area or regional or global. So in using climate, it is necessary pay attention to some things of concern. There are 4 types of climate classification known in Indonesia. The climate classification is Mohr climate classification, Smith-Ferguson climate classification, Oldeman climate classification, and Köppen climate classification, but which are often applied only 3, namely Mohr classification, Smith-Ferguson, and Oldeman climate classification. That's it my presentation video. If there is a spelling mistake, I apologize profusely. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.